Hey guys, no doubt the Samsung Galaxy S10 will be the futuristic smartphone because now things are getting confirmed. According to the report, Samsung plans for the early part of 2019 have been detailed by company insider who spoke to the Bloomberg. The report says Samsung is working on 3 S10 devices. One of them could be the 5G ready smartphone. Samsung is planning to finally show off its new foldable smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S10 will have a 5.8-inch dual-core AMOLED display and triple camera setup on the back, in which one camera will be a regular and second one will be the ultra-wide and the third one will be a telephoto sensor. Samsung Galaxy S10 will have in-display fingerprint sensor and also under-display selfie camera. Yeah guys, Samsung has embedded the front-facing camera and the speaker inside the display. And yeah, Samsung held an event this week in Asia for the Samsung Galaxy A8, a limited edition successor to its popular A8, and it features no bezel, no notch. The Galaxy A8 has just a small hole drilled in top of the display for its front-facing camera, and screen protectors are already leaking. As Universe tweeted, the Galaxy A8 is just the beginning of Samsung's innovative technology next year. This makes sense. The Galaxy A8 range only comprises mid-range smartphones and has never been the focus of Samsung's cutting-edge tech. In fact, historically, it received design similar to the what Samsung used flagship phones the year before. All of it strongly suggests Samsung has something even more minimal than a camera hole lined up for the 10th anniversary of Galaxy S10. What if this tech is not ready? In that case, it seems perfectly reasonable to expect the Galaxy S10 match the design of the Galaxy S8. Combine that with the smartphone's leaked triple rear cameras, ultrasonic in-display readers, and new gradient color scheme and 5G option, and suddenly it makes sense while Apple has already boasted about the Galaxy S10 twice. So that's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.